Hi, my name's Leo, and we're gonna do a zombling battle with all these zomblings here.
Sounds fun, buddy.
Yeah, it does.
Okay. They're your guys.
Yeah, these are my guys.
These are gonna be my guys.
And I did an egg review like 4 years ago.
That's my champion. That's Hogwarts.
But it would have been 5 years
champion.
ago. Yeah, 5 years ago I did an egg opening video.
Where's your guy leaders? Where's
Oh, this guy's my leader, and these three are my champions.
the lizard is the leader.
Now that's a crocodile.
Okay, let's go. Who's gonna go first then? Me.
But me.
Okay.
I'm just gonna move these guys. This guy's the one. Is that a bomb?
I'm okay. I'm okay.
This is the shield of doom. This is a shield. Oh, that knocked out two of my guys. Oh my word, what the heck is that? Go, go, go. What's that? What's that? Ow. Sending my champion. Ah, no.
Champion number 2, Hogwarts. You still got hit point left.
This guy can shoot stuff. Girl power! Ah! No. Ah!
He's poisonous, that one. Okay, what's next? Oh yes, Stinger. Him. Zip. Zip. Doing. It's my leader, Mr. Quartzite. He's the leader. Makes him very powerful. Oh man, I've only got like 3 guys left.
I've only got.
Okay, come out.
I've got 2 guys left.
Come out and face me, lizard. Where are you? Where are you? He's the leader. Spike. 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 Got him. Come out. Okay, just my leader left. And the leader's gonna fight it out.
Yeah.
This sounds like that thing out of Monsters Incorporated.
Yeah.
Did you beat me? Your leader won.
He has a hole in him.
The field of victory is just clouded in corpses.
We need to do another one. That was so quick. We need to do another one.
Let's stop that now.